my love. So today we're going to review all the special sounds we have learned already. We have been reviewing some other ways, trying some different things to review, but it's been a while since we have reviewed all our special sounds. So we're going to do that today, okay? So we're going to do it together, then you're going to do it all by yourself, and then we're sort of going to do a race and see who can go faster. Are you ready? Okay, so together first. I want to hear your voices in all the special sounds. Ready? K in duck, E in me, O in go, I in fly, A in pray, St in stop, pull in plane, fur in frog, tur in train, sh in ship, in thick, in this, bull in block, cool in clock, full in flake, ghoul in glue, burr in bride, dur in drum, purr in pray, grr in grin, sk in scat, sk in skate, sm in smoke, sp in spade, sn in snack, cur in crab, tw in twins, sl in sleep, sw in swim, spul in splash, skr in scream, spur in sprain, stir in stream, squawk in squeak. Okay, we did it together. Now it's you by yourself. Nice and loud. Make everybody in the house hear. Okay? Nice and loud. I want to hear you. Unless somebody's sleeping. Somebody's sleeping, then you can't be too loud. Then you got to stay nice and soft. Okay? But let's go. I want to hear voices. Only you now. Good job. Now it's our race. Are you ready? I am going to say it from here. You're going to say it from there. And we're going to see who's going to be faster. Are you ready? Are you sure? Are you ready? Okay, ready? Set. Go. K in duck, E in me, O in go, fool. Ah! I already messed up. I in fly, A in pray, St in stop, pull in plane, fur in frog, tur in train, sh in ship, in thick, in this, bull in block, cool in clock, full in flake, ghoul in glue, burr in bride, dur in drum, purr in pray, grr in grin, sk in scat, sk in skate, sm in smoke, sp in spade, sn in snack, cur in crab, tw in twins, zl in sleep, sw in swim, spul in splash, skr in scream, spur in sprain, stir in stream, squaw in squeak. And we are all done. Awesome job with your special sounds.